Today, I will be teaching you strategies on ways to teach children how to read clocks. For starters, the common instrument for measuring time is the clock. However, learning to tell time has little to do with time measurement and more to do with skills of learning to read an instrument. So when teaching children how to read clocks, it is important to help children understand how to read them by focusing on the actions and functions of the minute and hour hands on a clock. One strategy that could be used is to have them begin with a one-handed clock by removing the minute hand from a regular clock. You want to use a lot of approximate language when doing this. So for instance, for this clock, if they were given this analog clock, you would want to say that it's about 7 o'clock. So the hour hand shows that it would be about 7 o'clock. For this clock, you would want to say it's a little bit past 9 o'clock because the hour hand isn't exactly on the 9, it's a little past 9. So you want to make sure that you're clear with that. Another strategy that could be used is to have children predict the reading on a digital clock when shown an analog clock and vice versa, set an analog clock when shown a digital clock. So for example, if they were given this analog clock, they would be asked to write it in digital form. So they would look and they see that it's 5 o'clock, so they would write 5 o'clock. And then vice versa. If they were given the digital time 2:30, they would draw the hour hand and then the minute hand to demonstrate that it is 2:30. An activity that you could do is to prepare a page of clock faces. On each clock, draw an hour hand with a variety of placements such as on the hour, half past the hour, a quarter past an hour, a quarter until the hour, and close to but not on the hour. So for each clock face, the children will write the digital time and draw the corresponding minute hand on the clock. So for example, if they were given this clock with the hour hand pointing to the 4, you would want them to draw in the minute hand. So for it to be 4 o'clock, this would point to the 12. And then you would have them write the digital time, which would be 4 o'clock. And you would give them multiple different ones to do for this, for the activity. And as I stated previously, learning to tell time has little to do with time measurement and more to do with skills of learning to read an instrument. And the two strategies and the activity I provided will help students accomplish just that. So I hope you enjoyed this video.